Hi guys, I am Isa, and today I'm going to learn how to use the Swing library in Java, which is used for making GUI applications. So anyways, let me just write public class and the name of the file, and then public static void main string args. So here I'm going to be writing our code. So to ensure that it's working, you just write system.out.println. So I'm just change this. Now we're on the file. So anyways, this library I'm talking about, it comes with Java, so you don't have to install anything. We want to import javax.swing asterisk, which means you should import everything in java.swing. So yeah, to make a new window, we need to make a frame. So I'm just gonna say jframe frame is equal to new jframe, because that tells how to declare classes. So let me run the file. Nothing happens. We'll have to make it visible. I'm gonna write frame.set visible true. Now you can see that this window appears even though it's a bit small. I'm going to say frame.set size. So the size is going to be 400, 500. So now you can see that now it's exact. But we have to actually put something in it. But before that, you can see that when we run the program and we close it, you can see that the command will still running. So I'm going to say frame.set default close operation jframe.exit on close. So now if we run it, and then if we close it, the command ends. And we're just gonna say frame.resizable false. So yeah, this is the frame. So now I'm going to put a label inside of it. So a label is just like a piece of text. But before that, let me add the background to this frame. So I'm going to say frame dot get content pane. So I'm going to say get content pane dot set background color. I'm going to say new color. I'm going to say like 125, 0, like 50, 255. So now the code doesn't exist. We'll have to import javax dot. So I have to import java.awt dot asterisk. So now if we run it, you see that we have this purple window. So anyways, I'm gonna add a label. I'm gonna say JLabel label is equal to new JLabel. So anyways, I'm gonna say label. Actually, I'm going to go over here and say frame.add label. So now you can see that there's nothing here. just change this. So we have to add text to this label. So here, I'm going to say label.setText. Just gonna, write some text. So now it shows the text. So let me also just change the font. So I'm gonna say label.set font. So I'm gonna say new font. So I have to write the name. I'm just gonna write a font. And then the style, I'm gonna say font dot plain. It's gonna be a plain style, and the size, say like 50. So now you can see that the font is changed, and I mean the window is still kind of big. So anyways, so I'm also going to add an image. So I'm going to say image icon image is equal to new image icon. I'm going to say frame dot add image icon. Oh, actually I'm going to say frame dot add image. So instead of adding it to the frame, first I'm going to specify an image path. So I'm going to say image.png. So this is the image I have. No, it's not that good image. So yeah, in here you're going to say label.setIcon image. Now you can see that. That's the label's icon has changed to that. So now let me just set resizable to true. Right, so now you can see that the icon shows there. So anyways, I'm going to say label.set horizontal text position label.center. Now you can see that it's in the center of the icon. So I'm going to say label.set vertical text position label.top. So now if I run it, the text is at the top of the icon. So anyways, that's all that we're going to go for today's tutorial. If you've enjoyed, then you like and subscribe. So bye.